Good day, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and install this Gatehouse security door. Gatehouse strong impression heavy duty steel security door. I'm taking these old hinges off here too. These will get in the way. Take a look at the door. Just making sure, one of the things you want to make sure is that when you put this in, and these things you can put it in this way if you want it to open this way, or you can flip it over and you can open it that way. In this case, they want it this way, so we're going to put it right there. And in here is the fasteners. You pull these out, and it also comes with a bit for your drill. It takes a special bit for the head on these. Hey, one of the nice things about these bolts, these lag bolts that go in, is they won't come out once you put them in. So you want it's critical to make sure you got your holes right and where you want it before you screw these in. And you use this bit that comes with the kit and screw them right in. Okay, I got those pieces of wood holding this up. What I did here was just kind of shim it down below to create some distance underneath the door. And then this piece here, I just slid in right behind this. And then that piece up here, this piece here. And then I'm just gonna go right through the trim here. I'm just gonna put them lag bolts right through here. And this is the separate piece. And then the first thing I'm gonna start with though is this piece here. But what I'm gonna do, make sure this is level, and you can see it's not quite level right there. What I'll do is just pick this up just a little bit and level it out right there, and make sure it's square with the end. And then that way, once I get this level and screwed in, I can push this all the way up to mate up with that there. And that's it. And then we'll put the, get all the fasteners in there, and then we'll put the door handles in. All right, the first piece that I'm gonna screw in is the part with the hinges on it, right here. So I'm just gonna start right here in the middle, screw it right in there, put one there, there, and down below. One of the things I like to do is make sure I've got even spacing all the way around this thing too. Same thing with up above, and then same thing here. Even spacing all the way around there as well. Take this, put it right in here. Yeah, okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm making sure we're level here. I've pulled this up just a little bit to sit above that. Looking at my level right there, and this is where it's going to go. You want to just kind of use some finesse and scoot that over a little bit, as much as you can, just enough so it doesn't bind up on you. And if you were to line this up perfectly, that's where you want to be, right here. This is a good reference point. There's no lip here either direction. There's nothing sticking out. That's how you know you got it perfect. See, no sound, no binding. And we'll go ahead and screw all these in now. It's a good idea just to leave them out a little bit in case you goof it up. You can grab this with some vice grips and pull it out. I'm gonna go ahead and screw them all in now, and then I'll put in this top piece. Okay, there it is, folks. Now all we're gonna do is put the door handles in.